Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn something new which is going to be very helpful to you during this corona time.
Hello Suzuka.
Hi Nobita.
What are you doing here?
I am just taking walk in the garden because I ate so many things in the lunch today.
What did you eat in the lunch?
I ate roti, sabji, dal, rice, buttermilk and so many things.
Suzuka, you don't want to eat sandwich and pasta?
No, Nobita. And junk food make us fatty. But I want to become healthy girl. So I eat healthy food only.
Yes, Suzuka, you are right. Let's play video game.
Sorry, Nobita. But now I have to go because I have to complete my homework.
Okay, bye.
Bye. So friends, what did you learn from this act? Yes, we learned some good manners. Like, yes, we must eat healthy food. We should not eat junk food. We must do our homework on time. Today we are going to learn our new chapter in EVS, that is chapter number 3, Good Food Habits. As you already learnt about food and kinds of food in your previous chapter, let's just do the quick recap of it. What is food? Food is something that people eat to get energy. Food are of 3 kinds: energy giving foods, bodybuilding foods and protective foods. Energy giving foods gives us energy. Rice, butter, potatoes, cheese, these all are the examples of energy giving foods. Bodybuilding foods build our bones and muscles. Examples are milk, egg, pulses, etc. Protective foods. Protective foods prevent us from falling sick. Examples are fruits and vegetables. So friends, let's learn some good habits. We must wake up early in the morning. Brush your teeth twice a day and take a bath every day. Eat healthy foods. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Complete your homework on time. Go to bed on time. Now let's learn some proper food habits. There are mainly 3 proper food habits. 1. Food at fixed times. 2. Clean food. 3. At the dining table. Food at fixed times. As we all know, we must take 3 meals of the day. First is breakfast, which we take in the morning. Second is lunch, which we take in the afternoon. And the last is dinner, which we take at night. Do not eat between the meals. If you are hungry, then you can eat fruits and vegetables. Don't eat junk food like burgers, French fries, biscuit, soft drinks. We must take balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet is a diet that contains the right amounts of all the food groups. It includes fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy product and protein. Second point is clean food. Wash fruits and vegetables before cooking or eating. Friends, as you all know, when you bring the fruits or vegetables from market, they are not clean. We must wash them with clean water. Second is, do not eat stale food. Third is, do not buy food from roadside vendors. As roadside vendors are standing on the roads, the food is contaminated by the dust particles and flies also sit on them. So it is not good for our health. So we should not buy food from the roadside vendors. Our third point is at the dining table. Wash your hands before and after having meals. Chew the food well with your mouth closed. Do not talk or laugh while eating. So friends, in our chapter number 3, we learned different good habits and proper food habits. Let's recall all the good habits with me. First is, we must wake up early in the morning. Second is, yes, we should brush our teeth twice a day and take a bath every day. Third is, we must eat healthy foods. Fourth is, we must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Why water is so important for our body? Everyone tells us not to drink water. Even Mama also tells you to drink water. Why water is so important for our body? Because water maintains our body temperature. And if you drink water, water also helps our food to convert it into energy, which gives us energy. So friends, it is really very important to drink as much as water you can drink. Next is, we have to go to bed on time. Proper food habits. Food habits are of 3 kinds. Food at fixed times, clean food, and what is next? Yes, at the dining table. Now at the end of the session, I just want to tell you one thing. Dear friends, don't eat junk food, as junk foods are not good for our health.